Sidebar on the left and create a new contract under Contracts folder. So we're going to name it bot. Next, you can copy the code from here and paste it into our bot.sol file, the one that we just created. A thing to look at over here at the line 181 is this address. So if you follow this address on BSC scan, you'll see that it's the address of the wrapped BNB token. So we're going to be competing with it. Now that we have our bot.sol file ready, let's compile it. So to do that, we go to the Solidity Compiler tab. On the left, there is a column of symbols. Press on the second one and change the compiler version to 0.6.6 plus commit plus 6C089D02. Then click on the Compile bot.sol button and then wait for the file to compile. So now we're going to deploy this to our wallet. Go over to Deploy and Run Transactions in Remix. And then you can select Injected Web 3 as the environment. MetaMask will ask you for the confirmation to connect your wallet to Remix. Click the Next and Connect buttons in the MetaMask pop-up window, and this light should turn green. This means our MetaMask is connected. Then click on the Deploy button and confirm the signature in MetaMask. Transaction confirmed, and now we can see the deployed contracts just below the deploy button. Now we need to make sure that our contract shows up in BSC scan. Copy the address just by clicking on the button next to the generated contract address, and head on over to BSC scan. So the contract is created. The next step in this process is just funding our contract. So let's go to the wallet and send some funds to the contract that we've just created. I will start with 2 BNB. After it's sent to the contract and pressing the action button, the bot automatically starts buying and selling for you. Just give it some time to generate profit. Look, I usually leave it for about 24 hours and then withdraw the profit.